Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. But today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can use investing.com for trading. Investing.com app is a very useful app where you're able to learn about different coins, trading, strategies, as well as keeping up to date about all the news that is happening of your crypto. You can use investing.com for trading as well to see the news and to make your investment more fruitful. Now, to use investing.com, first of all, open up the app and log into your account. If you log into your account, you will also have many features that you won't if you are not logged in. Here, if you go into the news section on the below right on the bottom of the screen, you are able to get news about all the coins, stocks, cryptos that you want to trade. And after getting all the information about the coins that you want to trade, you'll be more efficient on your trading because you know which are going to be more beneficial for you. And if you go into the watch list after logging into your account, you are able to put on your watch list for the priority that you want in trading. You can see here I put Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and BCH/USD. You can put any other coins if you will wish so yourself. And if you do this, you are constantly able to check for it on the real time, knowing if your value has depreciated or appreciated. And that is how you can use investing.com for trading to help you in your trading journey. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.